Hi, welcome back. Sudhir from Coding Freaks. In this video, we are going to have a look at how we can host a static website on Amazon S3 and map that hosted website to a custom domain. Let's get started. I have already logged into my AWS console. Here click Services and S3 under the Storage menu. We'll be creating a new bucket. While naming this bucket, you need to remember that you have to use the domain name as the bucket name. In my case, I'm going to map the sudhir.com domain onto this, and I'm going to use subdomain for this, which is going to be demo. If you want to have a subdomain, then we should be using it like this. So we'll be using demo.thesudhir.com for this demonstration. Click create bucket. Our bucket has been successfully created. Navigate into it and onto this permissions tab. Under this block public access, we need to edit it and enable the public access by disabling this checkbox and save. Type in confirm. That's it. Click confirm. That's it. This is done on this part. Now we have to give bucket policy, and the bucket policy is going to be this. I'll give you a simple bucket policy for this in the description also. Here if you see that we need to give our bucket name over here. Click save. The moment you hit save button and it is saved, this bucket policy will show you that this is public. Next is properties. Here the style static website hosting. Enable this style. Use this bucket to host a website. Give index.html as the index document and copy this URL. You may give error document. Error document means that whenever your website is going to show some error like the page not found, then this error.html page will be shown. You can have redirection rules also. These are also optional. Click save. The static website hosting is enabled onto this. Now navigate back to this overview and upload a page, HTML document. I have very basic hello world index.html page. I've just uploaded it in the bucket and this has been uploaded. We'll see that static website is being hosted from S3 bucket and is publicly accessible. Now I'll log in into the DNS management of my website. Here I am on the DNS management page of my website. I just need to add a record that's going to be CNAME. And the domain to which we are going to map is demo. And while writing this, you just need to be sure that we do not require the protocol in this. Click save. That's it. This is done. If we hit demo.thesudhir.com, woohoo, we have reached to this page. So if you see, this is the domain name, this is the public URL from S3, and this is the custom domain which we have mapped onto this Amazon S3 bucket. This is how we can host a static website on Amazon S3 and map that static hosted bucket to a custom domain. If you have any queries or question, do leave in the comment section below. That's all for this video. Thank you.